Live in the City Beautiful, just 2 or 3 minutes from Merrick Park, Lifetime, Trader Joe's, and the heart of the Grove, with phenomenal schools, shops, restaurants, and exceptional City of Coral Gables services. Modern and updated, this Coral Gables home is move-in ready, including fresh paint and impact glass doors and windows. The floor plan features natural light and an inviting formal living room. A newer kitchen with quartz countertops adjacent to the dining room, and a cozy family room that opens to the backyard. The large primary suite features a remodeled bathroom with jetted tub and toto toilet. The home features 3 bedrooms with customized closets, 2 bathrooms, PVC plumbing, and an oversized garage with bonus space. Opportunity knocks. For additional information, please contact Bridget and Carlos Prio.